Alright, so I showed you how to do the marinade, so what we're going to do is prepare this salmon. So what I do is I take the skin off, and there's a reason for that, and I'll tell you in a minute why I do that. So I'm going to take this skin off, and what I'm going to do is put the skin into the marinade for it to soak. And what I normally do, I take this back piece off. I just find that my cat's getting involved as well. I just find that gives the fish a bit of a different taste. So what I want to do is I just want to chop it into pieces about yay big and stick it all into the marinade. So probably around about that big. You don't want to go too small because it does shrink a little bit. And last one. Alright, and as we do that, we're going to give that a bit of a stir. And I suggest you use a spoon because it's easier to turn it around with the spoon. And every bit of salmon that you actually put together, you give it a stir, and while you're cutting the next piece of salmon, it's going to start marinating. So again, we'll take that skin off. Now, if you like the skin, and I know my guests tonight do, so I'm going to cook all the skin up tonight. And it'll just crisp up and you get crispy skin, which is what a lot of people like. Some people do cut the salmon and leave the skin on. It's entirely up to you. But this piece here I take off because I know it gives the fish a very funny taste. Alright, so again, just cut them into pieces. So as we cut these into pieces, we're just going to put them into the marinade again giving it another turn. It's just going to draw up all that beautiful marinade that's in there. Okay. So we'll just do the same with this one. Now we'll take the skin off this. As you can see, it's starting to fill up, so I find this bowl works really well because it gives you enough room to put that entire kilo in there. Good sized bowl. One more to go. So it virtually works out to about 4 pieces of this size salmon. So as you can see, that's the size roughly that I bought. They gave me weighed in at about 1 kilo, 1.2 kilos. So it gives you a good indication on the salmon itself. Now, I suggest you get yourself a nice sharp knife too. Probably this is a fishing knife. And I find it cuts really well. So you need to get in there and just take that top skin off as well as the bottom. So we'll just go in there, and now a lot of people do leave this on. I just choose to take it off. Okay. So just go in there. Alright, so that's all of it. So we're just going to stir that in. So it's got all the skins, the bottom skin of the actual salmon and the fish itself. And what we're going to do, we're going to let that marinate now for about a good half an hour. And that's it. That's ready to be let to marinate. We'll let that sit there for half an hour, and then we're going to get a hot grill, a stone grill, and we're going to put that, wait till the stone grill gets really hot. We're going to put the skins on first, so the skin will marinate the actual stone grill. Once we've done the stone grill, then we put our salmon on after, and that cooks it. And what I tend to do is to, when you put it on, is to turn, as it starts to caramelize, you turn the fish different sides until it cooks through. Don't cook it too much. Salmon cooks very, very quickly, and depending on the thickness of the salmon will determine how long you're going to leave it on there. But when it's a nice caramelized color, take it off and cook the rest of it and put it in a bowl so the oil drains away. That's going to make a big difference to your meal. So enjoy. I hope you like this segment on doing it. I promised you this video, so have a wonderful night, and send me a message and let me know how you went, and have a great night. Thanks, Jochen. Bye now.